My name is Matt, and I'm the co-founder of Bugherd, the visual issue tracker for the web. So a little bit about us. My co-founder and I are web developers. And as web developers, Alan and I had a real problem finding an issue tracker that helped us manage issues with our clients effectively. And the problem was that no matter what we tried, and we tried everything, we kept running into the same issue over and over again. And the issue was emails like this. So I'm just going to read this out to you, because it's just more dramatic that way. But the email reads, "Help, I tried clicking the picture on the web page you sent across, and it didn't go to the right place." Awesome. To a lot of you, this might seem like a harmless email, but for a web developer or web designer, this was a productivity killer. The reason was that this was just the jumping off point for an hour-long conversation that we would have with this person to find out exactly what their problem was. And the worst part is that this wasn't billable time, right? Every time we had to answer these kinds of emails, we'd be wasting money. This is a problem for web developers and designers all the time. And this is the issue that we wanted to fix. So here's how we did it. Using the same example as before, say that we're working on a website with a client, we've done the initial design, and now we've sent across the initial build for them to review. So they're going to start browsing the site, and as they browse, they're going to realize that an image on the page doesn't go to the right place. Now, instead of sending an email, this time they're going to click on New Issue, click on the problem area, describe what the problem is, and submit the issue. That's it. In the 10 seconds that it's taken them to do that, we've grabbed all of their user data. We know what browser they're on. We know what operating system they're on. And when they say this image, we know exactly what image they're talking about because they've clicked on it. Now, you might be thinking, wow, Matt, this is great for clients, but what if my development team has already committed themselves to using something else? They might be using Basecamp or Pivotal Tracker, or they might be using Jira. Well, that's not a problem either, because over the last few months, we've built out bidirectional integration with most of the leading web developer tools out there. So we've got integrations with Pivotal, Jira, GitHub, Basecamp, and Redmine, and we're working on a bunch of others as well. So users seem to like this. In fact, over the last few months, we've had over 1,400 register. We've launched paid plans recently with plans ranging between $9 to $99 a month, and we have paying subscribers already. Now, the best part about this is that our users love us. And it's not just developers and designers, but their clients as well. When someone describes their experience with your product as a love fest, that's awesome. It's a bit weird as well, but it's mainly awesome. And as far as we're concerned, this is really just the tip of the iceberg for us. Right now, we have great issue tracking for web teams and their clients, but soon we're going to be rolling a feedback widget so that regular website traffic can log issues as well, integrating with help desk systems such as Zendesk and Tender support, and then a little bit further down the track, allowing support for HTML5 mobile applications, automatic replay of issues, and then also integration with billing systems like Xero and FreshBooks. So the team behind this consists of Alan Downey, our CEO, myself, creative director, and Vincent Brendel, a recent hire. But the important thing to note is that we're all engineers, so we're all very familiar with this problem. And it's really just a dog-fooding exercise for us. Alan and myself are also the team behind 5-Second Test, a popular usability testing platform for web developers, designers, and usability professionals. This is a market and space that we know extremely well and we're extremely passionate about. We've got a great roundup of investors and advisors. We've closed $245K to date, and we're looking to raise a little bit more. So if you like what you've seen, come talk to us after. To summarize, we're Bugherd, and we're the visual issue tracker for the web. Thank you very much.